afternoon, my peeps. Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete City, Philippines, Alma Almonte Folco. So for today's vlog, my peeps, we are here in Valencia, Negros, Oriental, and we're going to show you a very luxurious property which is pricing 40 million pesos, and in dollars it is 719,000. So this property, which is here in Valencia, has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and of course it has a solar system equipped with the property, which is you are gonna save up a lot of electricity. And the property is sold semi-furnished. So let's go, and I'm gonna show you this amazing new listing here in Valencia, Negros, Oriental, Philippines. Tara! So that's it for today, my peeps. Thank you so much for watching and enjoying the tour of our new listing, which is located here in Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines. And if you are interested in private viewing, please don't forget to look at my information below, which is I'm going to left it there so I can help you out to show this amazing property here. And guys, thank you so much for being with me here today. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my vlog so you are going to be updated with my next adventure of showcasing different kinds of property, which is real estate and travel vlogs. Thank you so much, and I will see you again. I love you. Mm. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.